from?
I'm from Cambodia.
You're from Cambodia. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Oh, you like ice cream. I see. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
You came for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best about here?
What do I like the best? Well, the people here are very kind.
Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is great.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay 2 more days.
Oh, then will you go home?
Yes, then I will go home.
Where do you study?
I study at CLI school.
What do you study at CLI school?
I study English at CLI school. And what about you?
I study at Kilek Primary School.
What grade are you?
I'm in 5th grade.
Thank you. See you next time.
Goodbye, see you next time.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
From Cambodia. Do you like Angkor Wat?
Yes, I like Angkor Wat.
Oh, you like Angkor Wat. I see. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
You came for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a good time.
What do you like the best about here?
What do I like the best? Well, the people are very kind.
Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is great.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay 2 more days.
Oh, then will you go home?
Yes, then I will go home.
Where do you study?
I study at Kilek Primary School.
What do you study at primary school?
I study English at Kilek Primary School. And what about you?
I study English at CLI school.
What grade are you?
I'm in 2nd grade.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Goodbye. See you next time.